got 6 back here and then 1 up front, so we got 7 right here. Big loadout for the boys right now. 2 Starks, 450, all the minis.
Which one is mine?
I don't know, which one do you want?
I want the girliest one.
Probably this white one up front right here.
No, it's too small. I want like a 150 or 250. Yeah, I'll ride the Stark.
Why don't you ride a Stark then?
Yeah.
You've ridden it before, right?
Yes.
Like 80 horsepower.
No, they'll turn it down for me.
I brought home all these random dudes from the bar the other night, and they told me they could ride it, and they started looping out and skinning all the...
No way.
Yeah, their hands are bleeding in the front of the driveway.
It almost feels like a little girl bike.
That's what I was saying. They're the torque. It's the best. And then you got the E-Ride Pro. Let's look at this thing. Your boy CEM got you dialed over there. Every single component ever you could ever imagine. Check this out. Hector's been wanting this setup. He can't get it. Austin can't get it either. It's so windy.
This shit winds are howling.
Gnarly.
Yeah. Heard me getting blown over the jump.
According to Matt Balo right now, it's 14 mile per hour gusts, but it's easily 30 or 40. We're barely going to be able to stay on course. Nonetheless, jump the jumps.
It's alright because we're riding our dirt bikes and that's what it's all about.
Yep. Out here, San Diego, California, 84 degrees out in the middle of winter. We're still riding dirt bikes with a sick squad. Not bad. Not bad for an e-bike guy. Yeah.
So after this, we're going to hit Hong Kong. No, I'm just kidding. Don't post that. I'll get in trouble.
Why? Why would you get in trouble? We can go anytime we want.
Not me.
What?
But we can have a shanty.
Yeah, we can go to Shanty. We go to Hong Kong every Monday, Tuesday.
So Connor
50%
here,
off.
Connor here is one of my good friends that when we're out together, it's a dangerous combo. Kind of lethal. Yeah.
You always throw in the towel so much earlier than I do, though.
Not that one weekend. Oh, I did.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, because get
What's
wet.
going on with your strap right
I
here?
don't know. Oh, that feels better.
Yeah, you don't know. You for sure don't know what's going on. Goggles first come off. Yeah, I guess mountain bike style works.
What? How was I supposed to do it?
From the strap back.
This is Skims Nike collab. Shout out to Nija for sponsoring it.
Damn. Shout out, Jaw. One slow, 2 normal, 3 fast.
Yeah, I want slow.
Once again, Eli's on the start because his bike is still at the doctor's right now getting fixed up.
Yeah.
Don't matter though.
It don't really matter. It's my trail riding bike anyways.
Yeah. It's probably a better bike for today.
Yeah, nice and quiet, stealthy.
I pulled the 450 out, just ready to rip, but the Starks might be the move. Damn, here's the 450. Barely started. The battery keeps dying. Ride her down.
Try to beat this.
Yeah, I saw you.
How do I do this?
What happened?
I fell because of the rocks, man.
Yeah, once you get out of the rocks, you'll be all right. Easy on the throttle. Just cruise out of here.
Stop staring at me and embarrassed. Huh?
Just electric, so like wants to. Life on E, brother. We need to get these girls on some clutches. That thing was just spinning the rocks. She's trying to throw boulders at me. We haven't even got out to the spot yet. 2 chicks almost went down. One of our OG spots right here. Down in this valley, you got all these jumps, turn tracks, some trail riding goes all the way up to the houses, and then we're right here at the border. Crazy right here, San Isidro. Got your double walls right here. Border Patrol runs this all day. The military and the Marines actually run a spot out here too, but as far as riding, we're good to ride out here. Look at the vibes, all green. So bitchin' this time of year. Yeah, she'll get it one way or another. We're trying to train her. She's only ridden one time before. And then we're just going straight off to a downhill. She'll be all right though. There you go.
Keep both feet off. And don't run over big rocks.
So sick.
Oh, shit.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, that back brake's working. You're good. Ooh, ride her down. Oh, it's still running. You're good. And honestly, the faster you go, the easier it is. More roll speed. Like a bicycle. Go. Roll speed, roll speed. Go, go, go. Don't even be... You're good. Faster, faster, faster. Like a bicycle. Like a bike. Bicycle on flat ground on asphalt. So easy. There it is. Tijuana flight coming in right now. Probably Harry just got back from Cabo Wabo. That's the way to fly right there. So you just cross the border, walk across, fly out of Tijuana. It's like $40. Oh, he's such a start guy now. Sorge going for it. A Hemecula's finest Shane Davis switches to the E-Ride from the Stark. Yeah, he's got it. Eli's kind of feeling good on the Stark. Sorge and I holding it down for the gas machines. Yamaha crew. Blue crew.
There's so much.
It's gonna be way more harsh, huh?
Oh!
Damn, sacked out. Run that back in slow-mo. I bet his feet were dragging off the landing right here.
Oh!
This guy's been boycotting helmets and boots for about a week now. How'd it feel?
Boots feel weird.
Maybe so much support though.
I feel like I could hit this. The wind sucks, but I feel like I have to be so tapped at it. Oh,
Check out this trail right here. Looks kind of technical. Little Rocky Balboa. Sick up here, bringing a dozer, built a whole supercross track, and you got the best view in the world, all of San Diego and into Tijuana. Fire pit, got your cookouts out here, campfires. Yeah, that's how I run it. Sketch. Go for it.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Think she's got it? She's gonna grab a front of a full front grab.
No, I think she has it. Just from the trail ride over here, she looks pretty experienced. Yeah! Feed her up. Yep. So gnarly, let's go!
Holy, that was kind of heavy.
She was cooking.
Dude, she got so much head shake and like her whole, she was seated the whole time.
Going way faster. I thought it's pretty sick. You sent it. Let's go! Hell yes! That was gnarly. Dude, you were going so fast.
Yeah, you were mobbing.
That was sick.
Oh my god.
She was so scared up there. She's like, I'm back to
And there, thing's running so hot, the fan and radiator kicking.
Should I pee on it?
Yeah,
Put it
you-
down?
Might have to do something gay to it, like pee on it.
Damn ass rock.
Damn ass rock. Everyone's burning laps today.
Oh yeah, we got riders.
gosh. Oh, holy shit. Oh,
yeah.
my God.
Let's go.
Kind of a sick jump.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Dude, I could see everything. I was in the air like, oh shit.
You can see Hong Kong.
I know, it's right over there. I should have looked over.
How's it feel? Is it good?
Flying.
You got that. Yeah, only for blacked out.
There it is. There's the wall. Right there to get into Mexico. Go crazy. Look how steep that thing is. It's probably like 30 feet. Bar bar on the bottom, bar bar on the top. Dude. Yes, sir! There it is.
That's a bad line, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, I ain't never even seen this spot. I see her. There she is.
Yeah, it's hard to see, like in between the green screen and the gray tower, you go straight through, red building with red letters. Hong Kong, baby. We got Border Patrol on us. Run, Levi, run! I don't know, we just took off running.
They were like, exit the premises now.
Oh, we were dialed. Yeah, we were going. We weren't going to stop.
Huh?
I think they grabbed him.
Grabbed who?
Other homie. Austin? Yeah, no. Oh, Eli. No, I'm right here, bro.
Parker! They got Parker!
Oh,
No!
oh, they got Parker.
Gotta go over to the- How we doing, boss?
Hey, boys.
What's the word?
Hey, just to let you know, like, that's a federal road over there.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I think that's why they're stopping you guys.
Okay.
I think one of your guys stopped over there to talk to them. I don't really know what's going on, but you guys, for future reference, aren't allowed to be on that road.
Okay.
All the trails on this side of it, though.
Cool.
You guys, I think you guys should be fine.
First time,
It's,
trying to get pictures.
yeah. 100%.
Alright, here we go. Border Patrol. These are our guys. Whose side are you on?
You try to dip maneuver.
Really?
It was gnarly. I was like cruising.
Whose side are they on? I thought they were on our side.
Guys, I'll explain myself. I explained it to him right now.
No worries.
And I'll explain it to you.
No worries, bro.
Is this your car too? Yeah. Is it associated with you guys?
They're on our side. They're fine. We're dialed. Just made the ride that much better. This is the content we needed.
Shit.
This is the stuff you can't clickbait.
I'm recording too, so. Now that, okay, when I explained to your buddy, that road you guys were on, just immediately north of that border fence, is a federal easement. Unless you have permission, or a federal agent or officer, can't be there. These gentlemen are Marines, so they can be on it. I understand everyone likes to read this.
Right.
Absolutely 100% on board. I got fun.
Damn.
And I like to ride. But There's also been a problem where people, there's control boxes that open the gates. Good boy. There's control boxes that open the main gates that let us from in between the fences and let us know. So there's been instances where people come with grinders, grind off the wells, pop them open, and smuggle. Am I saying you guys are smuggling? I don't know you, right?
No grinders.
No. What I'm saying, I'm trying to explain to you because you guys are
He kind of looks the part.
recording, and we're trying to find out what are these guys doing. But that's my rationale. Okay. I mean, if you have any other questions?
I'm good.
Good one. Now, so my question is, okay, who's the spokesperson for the group?
I'm gonna give it to him.
Okay, so your purpose for being in the area, I know you're parked here, this is where the base, but why were you on the easement?
Honestly, because it was dark and we are just trying to get back here quicker.
Okay.
We normally do the trail section,
Uh-huh.
but it was so dark we just wanted to get back, so we just hit the road.
Okay,
And we seen one of your buddies earlier, and we went by him and he gave us the wave and we gave him the wave. Well, as we were headed that way, west, so we didn't know you weren't allowed to be on that road.
okay, so consider this an educational process.
Right
All
on.
right? No one's going to jail, no one's getting a citation.
Just because I'm the oldest?
Okay, so good job, bro. You're the sacrificial lamb. Anybody have criminal history that involves alien smuggling or narcotics?
No, you don't, right?
Okay, so that's so right now is your opportunity to ask any question you want. Like I said, I'm not trying to be.
So as long as we stay off that road
Yeah,
right there,
exactly.
we
Well,
won't give you guys
as long
a hassle.
I'm sorry.
We won't give you guys a hassle
No,
as long
no.
as we're
What
off
I'm
that
gonna
road
do,
right there.
I'll give you the heads up. Right, see this road back here? Just to the.
Yeah, this one right here?
We call it an up and down road.
Yeah.
You could go with some K-rail or Jersey rail, whatever you guys want to call it.
Yeah.
You can take that down.
Okay. Right by the tower.
It's between here and the tower.
Oh yeah. The one you heard right there.
Yeah. So like again,
I have a question. Have you ever seen somebody try and jump the fence?
every day.
Really? That's a long fucking
There's
climb.
been dead people. I mean, the tall one, that's 30 feet. So what we had is people at the primary, the one just to the south of that one. Then the tall one is obviously.
Is that every day that you're like the small one?
No, not now. Now it's a little tough process. But if you guys have any questions, any
We're good,
concerns,
boss.
any gripes,
I appreciate you being cool with us.
I appreciate it.
okay.
And you're cool too. We appreciate
Like I said, I just want to find out. You know what I'm saying? All right.
I was almost in the fence.
I gotta do what I gotta do.
it. Are you scared?
Yeah, you should put
Scared that you shit?
You
Yeah,
wanna put it on camera?
No, do it.
Then I'll really wind up on TikTok. Guys, thank you for your
Right on,
patience.
boys.
Cheers,
Have a
man.
good night.
Thank you. Little do they know.
Parker, slow down, bro.
I went over.
This thing's packed full.
Why do you stop?